Haha, talk about being overgrown. I'm gonna plant it in here and then hang it up by a 20-foot chain I have on that maple tree right there. It'll pop back up after it's been watered and growing in here for a few days. It does look dilapidated a little bit, but like I said, it'll perk back up after a couple days. And then the chain, I don't know if you can see it, but extends to that middle branch right there. So all is well. All right, while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I'm going to take this opportunity to plant up some spider plants. I'm gonna put this one in that white pot, and then this one in that terracotta pot, in that terracotta pot, with my little special mix of vermiculite, peat moss, Miracle Grow, and a few other goodies. I have a few spider plants to bump up. I just did that one. I have to do this one and that one. And then there's two more back here in those concrete pots that I made last year. All right, let me get started. Well, it's been a long day, but at least I got a lot of my projects checked off my list. I took a lot of the shoots off of this one because they look kind of weak, and I have a lot of them actually. So I've got that one done, and the white one, I'm gonna leave them here for now. It's supposed to rain really well tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.